It is November 3rd, voting day, and I'm dressed for the occasion. So I wanted to definitely pick up the camera before I forget. Today is somewhat of a busy day because I have work plus some things around the house, and my husband's catering company is going to deliver food around lunchtime to one of our very dear friends campaign team who is out at the polls today. So I am going to do that for my lunch, help him, and then just a few meetings this afternoon. And I'm sure we are going to probably go to her watch party. She's running for Senate in our area. So this morning I took the kids to school. We talked about the elections and had a cup of coffee and went to Walmart and grabbed just a few things before the workday got busy, because I know I'm not going to be able to do it today. And I'm just going to take you along and see what we get done. Yep, I think that's about it. Oh, one of the things I have to do is re-edit a vlog from this past Saturday. We went to the pumpkin patch and I had my camera, of course my battery went dead, and when I was looking at the footage last night, the camera is just shaking out of control. But I mean, I want to keep the footage for myself, and because it's memories, but I also wanted to put it on my channel. So I am going to try to see what I can salvage out of the shaky vlog, and that should already be up. If so, please, just because I'm asking you, go over there and like the vlog, and don't talk about it being crazy shaky and I had to shorten it because I just couldn't. I didn't want you to be sick. So let me show you what I picked up from Walmart. And here is my little Shih Tzu poodle mix. Her name is Zoe. So hubby's here and the kitchen is a mess, but I ran out of my creamer. This is my favorite creamer. It's dairy free and it's sensitive to my stomach. It's the International Delight white chocolate mocha. I want to try this plant-based power bowl. It has meatless beef and it's a vegetable stir fry. I think this will be, I hope it's tasty. I'm going to try that. Here's some cheddar broccoli bake. It has broccoli topped with the cheddar Parmesan sauce and panko breadcrumbs. Here's some oven roaster seasoned Brussels sprouts and carrots. I think that would be, it looks delicious. We absolutely love these rice sides in the chicken flavor with the rice blend, and some has the broccoli chicken flavor and then the chicken with broccoli. Here it is. I wanted to try, focus. This everything bagel seasoning. It says that you can put it on eggs. Why is it not focusing? Focus, focus, focus. There we go. It says you can put it on eggs, spinach, salads, toast, and I'm sure some other things. I don't eat bagels, but I am interested in trying this in a few other dishes. And I got these wonton wraps. I am thinking about making some egg drop soup, and I can make the little crispers to go in that. I got 2 packs of the meatless, beefless ground. To me, this tastes very similar to ground beef. I do not eat meat, so this is what I prefer for dishes like tacos, soups, chili. And then I got some stevia packets for my morning coffee. I also forgot to share these with you over in the women's section. My youngest can fit an 8.5, but I got her a 9 in this little black booty. And it was $14.98. So I got that for her, and then I saw them in brown. Got these for her too. I don't know why I'm having the hardest time focusing today. And she loves to wear leggings. So whenever I'm in there and I see her size in the leggings, particularly the black and the gray, I always pick them up. And these were $3.98. And I just grabbed microfiber cleaning towels. So now it's time for me to get to work, and my desk is an absolute mess, as you can see. So I am going to clear this off and start my work day. Okay, so I'm mad because I was going to heat that power bowl that I showed you earlier. I was going to eat that up and call myself enjoying it, but I kept noticing that there are like little rice bits in my bag because the packaging was opened. So I am going to take that back to Walmart, not now, but I'm going to take it back and request another one, and I'm going to inspect the package very well. But now I have to find something to eat, and I'm hungry. So what I did not do on Sunday was plan out my week, and I like to do that. I don't try to plan everything out to the T for each day because you have to be fluid and leave things open. But I do like to jot down meetings that I already know that are scheduled, activities with the girls, if I need to do laundry on a certain day, you know, those definites that I know that need to occur, and I may have lighter days to where I can pack more. So I just like to plan a week in advance, or the Sunday before the week gets started, plugging in those known things, and I leave room for daily planning. But because I didn't do it Sunday, I still like to plug in, because it's now Tuesday, I like to plug in things that did happen on Monday, because it's receipts. If I need to go back and look at something to see when something happened, or if I accomplished a certain thing, it's good to just have it recorded. So today, I know that I have a lot of things to do, quite a bit to get done, not a bunch of busy work, but putting it down on paper really helps me, because if I'm just playing the list in my head over and over, I tend to get overwhelmed. And this helps me to download and to see what needs my attention, what I could possibly do on the weekend. It just helps me to get all of the stuff out of my head. And you know, because I have a lot of projects with work, documenting that and keeping track of progress and tasks, I mean, does it. I love to say plan well and conquer. Conquering is the goal. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to line out some things that I have to get done today. And I love to add stickers. And it's real bright in here. But I love to add stickers. I mean, because I just like everything around me to be pretty. So I'll say everyday sparkle, everyday glam. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And I am checking emails, and I have some emails that I need to send that are very time sensitive. And that's what I'm going to do. And I still need to find something to eat. And while I'm fighting distractions, I wanted to show you this cute paper clip that I made. It's a wide paper clip, and the fur gives me all the fall and winter vibes with a little touch of bling. Absolutely adore these. I made 2 for my planner. And let me show you some ribbons that I got, because I think I want to make a black one. Well, this is just a snippet of it. But look. How adorable. So I'm going to add that to a paper clip. Okay, no more distractions. I gotta go to work. So I am on a work call now, but I did go and get a replacement of the Power Bowl, and this is what it looks like. Looks pretty good, and it has a good little flavor to it, and I added soy sauce to it, and it's pretty tasty. I haven't tried the faux beef, but I'm gonna see how it tastes. Okay. Okay, so I am going to try the beefless.